If your Neato Botvac keeps getting stuck and it tells you that the brush roll needs to be cleaned, it may be more than that. You may also have to clean the bearing. The video on the Neato website doesn't really go into it that much, but here's what you're going to want to do. So there's a pull tab here and one over here. So this can pop right off. You just pull it right off, and then one finger operation can pull that out. The next thing is, here's the brush roll. So again, you're going to want to just clean this. There's not much you can do on this side here, but you can use your brush cleaning tool that came with it. This piece over here is what really gets clogged up, especially if you have dogs or just runs a lot during the day. So this again can push right off, kind of one-handed operation. The next thing is, you're going to want to see how well this part turns. Right now it seems to be pretty good. You can pop this orange part out. It's just held in by little retaining pieces of plastic there. So you just need to kind of pull it back and push a little bit from the other side, and it should pop out. And then once you can get a finger under there. And now this is the part, you make sure that this gets cleaned all in here. And then there's one last piece you can pull apart, and I actually needed, it was really nasty under here. So you had to actually I had to get a like a metal screwdriver, like a flathead screwdriver, and kind of scrape. There was a lot of like caked on dirt on here that was like, I mean, it was really caked on. And you can still see some of the remnants there. But you're going to want to just scrape all that off and just be careful not to cut yourself with whatever you're using to do that. But yeah, so that's how you take off the bearing, and it all goes back pretty easily. So these two pieces here, push them together. Again, it should rotate a lot smoother now. Then you take this piece here, and you'll see that there's a little notch there and a little notch right here. So you'll just put those two pieces together. Oops, sorry. And it'll pop right together. Then you take your brush roll and put this piece back in like that. And again, that'll rotate around. Take your Neato vac, put this end in first, and the other end you should see that this little lip piece there goes towards the back. Then you take your cover and put that back on. There's 1, 2, 3 little pieces that go with the 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3 there. And that just pushes on. And then don't forget your brush roll. And that's it.